What's up, Nova Nation? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA, and we are officially on day 3 of the juice fast. I'm actually about to drink my first juice of the day. This got a little bit of everything. This is some brew. Me and my brother, we used to call stuff that we like mix up a bunch of ingredients. We used to call it brew. So this is, I'm trying to remember everything. We made a batch of spinach, oranges, lemons. What else is in here? Kiwi, celery, cucumber, green apples, ginger. Can't remember all the ingredients, but this is power packed because it didn't make a lot of juice. But let me see. Hey brother, I see you in the background. Come say hi.
To the people?
You don't miss the camera? This is my brother, JP. You gotta say hi. This guy. That's your hi? He said, look at these gains. That's your hello.
That's all you gotta do.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
This guy. So stupid. So today I'm gonna go ahead and juice some watermelon. I already juiced this last night. And I need some electrolytes. I don't know all the fruits that have electrolytes in them. I'm just gonna assume that this drink has some electrolytes in there. I don't know. But what I do know is watermelon is extremely hydrating. So I'm gonna go ahead and juice this baby watermelon that I got from Aldi's last night, and hopefully it's sweet. You know how there's like charts and stuff that tell you how sweet a watermelon is, and it shows like a picture and a graph of the markings on the watermelon. I don't know how to do all that, so I'm not even gonna stress myself. I'm gonna wash the watermelon, cut it, and juice it up, baby. It should be very quick. Alrighties, this is my attempt at cutting a watermelon. Ta-da! I don't really like seedless watermelons. This actually looks like an alien to me, but I'm gonna drink it anyways. I didn't get it from the farmer's market. I got it from Aldi's. I feel like you were gonna say you want some and then saw the nakedness of the inside. Oh, it does have seeds. It has some seeds, look.
The little white seed?
No, it has seeds.
Oh.
It's not 100% alien. It might be hybrid. Okay, how do I cut a watermelon? Can I cut it from here or do I have to slice it again? If Dad were here to see me use this knife, he would throw up. All right, the rest of them I'm gonna put in a bowl because I already put what will fit in the hamper of the, whatever you call it, hopper of the juicer. And oh, by the way, I'm also testing my DJI camera again. That's what I'm filming off of. And yesterday I filmed with a microphone. I don't think I like the way it sounds because I started editing that video and you could hear the sound of what I'm doing way too clearly, like almost as clearly as my voice. And so there's like no noise cancellation or isolation or whatever you call it. The video was also way too long. Oh my gosh, I don't like editing super long videos. I know that's like the new thing, having these ultra long videos to edit. But if I'm going to be posting frequently, which I usually do for my juice fast, then ain't no way I could do all that editing. Alrighty, so everything's all chopped up and in the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on and get to juicing. So you pour your fruit up here, close it, lock it. This is where all of the produce waste will come out. And then this is where all the delicious juice will come out. This is gonna go fairly quick because I mean, it's watermelon, so it has a ton of juice. Not too much pulp, which I'm still gonna strain it afterward anyway, even though watermelon pulp doesn't really bother me. But still, we're gonna make sure it's just the juice. And that's how hubby likes it too. So there is a fill line on here where it tells you the maximum amount to fill. I do it just under that amount and we're good to go. I usually do like having some ginger and lemon in pretty much majority of my juices. And this one I usually do put the lemon and the ginger, so I'm gonna throw some lemon and ginger in here and mix that all up. Let me do that now. Just wash these bad boys off camera, and I'm gonna quickly just chop this sugar on up the easy way, not the Haitian way. Another ingredient I forgot is mint. I don't usually use ginger, it's a mint, but this time around we're doing ginger because I already forgot and I put it in there, but I think I skip it. I don't know, I gotta taste it and see if it is what we usually do, but mint for sure. I think it's watermelon, mint, and lemon. I don't think there was ever ginger supposed to be in there, but whatever. So just want to show you, this is the mint we usually buy. Not the specific brand, but it looks like this. It looks pre-packaged. And I opened it up and there's some fresh mint leaves. So I think I'm going to use, and you know, mint is kind of strong, but very refreshing. So I'm gonna use just 2 of these, which we should get a nice minty taste from it. Yeah, that looks to be enough. A little goes a long way, but we do like the taste and how refreshing it is. I'm gonna wash this. And I'm just gonna pinch off the leaves off the branch and throw it in there. It's so much easier to work with when it's dry leaves. When it's dry leaves, you feel like a little crunch. And it like, I don't know, it causes the flavors to just burst or something like that. All right, throwing in our last batch. Yeah, I think we're good. So I'm gonna clean up and then mix this baby up and bottle it. For me and Meg, this is probably gonna be, if I have to guess, this is gonna be like 5 bottles. I'm so used to rinsing everything. Let me know in the comment section if you also rinse off everything you use. I rinse off every cup, every spoon, plate, and that's because we have everything stored in our cabinets, and I just feel like in my head, maybe dust will settle in the cabinets, and you know where I'm going with this. Actually, let me not leave room to the imagination. I feel like dust is settling on everything, and I feel like rinsing kind of just like washes maybe whatever dust could be there away. This is the strainer I use to further remove the pulp. Meg and I kind of like it to be just the juice. So I usually use the spoon to kind of like lift this and help squeeze and strain any pulp that's remaining. So I'm gonna mix it first and then pour some of the juice in here and proceed to strain it, which I'm hoping it's not too bad because it's a lot longer, especially if you're making a citrus type drink. Like yesterday's drink had oranges and stuff in there. I was sitting there straining for all eternity, it felt like. So this is barely anything, Tiniest little bit of pulp. See if I can even show it to you. That's the pulp that was in there. It is like nothing, and I just throw it down the garbage disposal or the trash. Mix it again, just to make sure all the lemon and mint and everything is getting spread evenly through the bottles. Alrighties. This one I might have put a little bit too much. So we're gonna transfer it to this bottle. So this one's done. Let me taste it. It's so good. Whew, it's so good. It's so good. You don't even taste the ginger for real. And ginger has like this little spice to it. You don't taste it. You really just taste the watermelon and the mint. And if you have a quicker way of doing this, leave in the comment section below, because honey, everything ain't watermelon. So it takes a lot longer for everything else. Since I'm going to be drinking this one anyway, because I took a sip already, with watermelon and with many other juices, but especially watermelon, there will still be pulp in there. We just can't see it because it's all shaken up, but there will be settlement. Usually with watermelon, the water will be at the bottom and then the settlement will be at the top. It's like this, I don't know, micronutrient. I don't know. You'll maybe be able to see it in a different video. But it's the same way for these as well. It's just, you know, the water component will be at the top and then a lot of it will be at the bottom. So all you gotta do is shake them up and then they're good to drink. So one from yesterday, one from today. Okay, I'm trying not to shake this one, but here's what I was talking about. There's settlement at the bottom and then there's some at the top. And it's all normal. This is gonna look crazy to somebody who's never juiced before, but all you have to do is just shake it up and drink. It's good. It's still good. Don't throw it away. You literally just saw me juice it and that's what it looked like. So it doesn't mean that it's dated or that it's no longer good to drink. It's still good. Still drink it. Oh, and before I do go for the day, I do want to give a quick weigh-in. Last juice fast I didn't do weigh-ins because that wasn't really, I didn't want that to distract me. I was in such a crazy place at the time. I didn't want that to be like the motivator, but now that I'm on my weight loss journey and we're in the thick of it, seeing numbers doesn't really trigger me. So today the weight I saw was 232.4. I started at 237. So on the screen you'll see just how much I've lost total, which is 40 pounds. That's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, like that's, to me, that's insane. Like I lost 40 pounds. Me? In 4 months, like I am so proud of the version that I am today because this is new for me. I've never lost this much weight. I've never been this big also, but I've never lost this much weight before. It's always been so stubborn because of my PCOS, and I have a video about my PCOS for all the ladies out there who have the same exact thing. Our generation is literally just like plagued with PCOS diagnoses, and I really am this close to conducting a study about it because like there's a source, a common source for all of us, I feel like, in all these disease states and all that stuff. I'm just throwing it out there. I feel like there is. Brother? Okay. Just gotta make sure I'm not getting kidnapped. So I was just telling the camera that I lost 40 pounds total since the beginning of my weight loss journey. Why are you sweating?
Washing the car.
Oh, okay. I needed to know before we get into the, oh, that's great news. Like, you know, I needed to know what was going on. Like, were you running from something? Do I need to run? Like, what are we doing right now? I'm just red. Bruh. But no, Daddy, it wasn't a reaction video. It was not initially supposed to be. This is horrible timing. Daddy, it wasn't on record until I just pushed record so I could show him the red. When it's red, Daddy, is when it's recording. I wasn't recording you.
Yeah, 40. That's a lot.
Yeah, 40 pounds down since we started in June. And I didn't start working out until July.
That's hella good.
Yeah. Something definitely to be proud of. Before the end of the year, I'm going to try and lose another 20 pounds. But if I don't, hey, I'm good with just the 40. You know what I'm saying? For 2024. If I don't lose not another pound, I'll be proud of the 40. But I have a feeling I'll probably reach that 20 pound goal before the end of the year. If not pretty close, maybe 15 more pounds or 10. It'll be something. I guess we'll all have to find out. There's always gonna be a new goal, even if it's not like weight loss. Because once you get to your weight goal, then maybe your body, you need to tone it a little bit, you know? Yeah. And then after you see yourself toned, you might wanna see yourself muscular and built. And then after you do that, you go through another cutting schedule because you're like, oh my gosh, it's a little bit too much. It sounds like a whole journey. The journey continues. The journey continues. If you enjoyed it here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you will not miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.